So guys, today Mickey Mouse and all his friends were together inside the clubhouse. So Clarabelle called them and told them about her concert was today. And she told Mickey Mouse that you all must come together. But guys, Mickey Mouse and all his friends were facing a problem. All these friends were having hiccups, due to which all these friends were worried. So Mickey Mouse said that we will all get rid of these hiccups together. So guys, will you also help them in getting rid of these hiccups? So come on friends, let's go.
Let's see what we have in our mouse kennel today.
A dancing shoes. A glue stick.
And the last one we have a mystery mouse tool. This is a prize tool, so it can help us later.
So guys, Mickey Mouse and all his friends now stood together to get rid of hiccups. So suddenly Mickey Mouse found a book in which different ways to get rid of hiccups were written. He read the first method, and according to this method, he was to jump, after which his hiccups will stop. So guys, Daisy Duck said, I can't jump with these shoes. So Mickey Mouse said, what should we do now? So Mickey Mouse said,
maybe we have a mouse kill that can help us in this time. Everybody say, oh Toodles!
Oh Toodles!
A dancing shoes. A glue stick.
And the last one we have a mystery mouse tool. Which of these can we use? Yes, this one can help us.
A few moments later.
So guys, this time, the hiccups of the Daisy Duck stopped by jumping. But guys, Donald Duck's hiccups were still going on. So according to the other method written in the book, Donald had a bathed in water, which has a normal temperature. But guys, when Donald got into the tub of water, the water was much colder. Even then, the Mickey Mouse said that now we have to check the temperature somehow, and bathe Donald Duck in it. So the Minnie Mouse said,
Mickey, let's check our mouse schedule.
Everybody say, oh Toodles!
Oh Toodles!
a glue stick.
And the last one we have a mystery mouse kettle. It's time to use a mystery mouse kettle. What is inside a mystery today?
A few moments later.
So guys, now Mickey Mouse saw a third way to stop Donald Duck's hiccups. And according to this method, Donald Duck will have to circle the sky in the plane. So guys, Mickey Mouse also took Donald Duck to the plane. And after reaching here, he realized that the rear parts of the plane's wings were broken, due to which flying the plane would prove to be quite dangerous for him. So Mickey Mouse said,
maybe we have a mouse kill that can help us in this time. Everybody say, oh Toodles!
Oh Toodles!
Which of these can we use? Yes, this one can help us. Say Super Cheese! I hope you can enjoy the video, so don't forget to subscribe. And thank you, my dear friends.